Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from the page of 25. We are going to introduce the concept of the. Children, we use the with something specific, with something special. Look at this, children. The boy. Listen again, children. The boy. Listen one more time, children. The boy. Now say with me, children. The boy. Say again, children. The boy. Children, now you have to write the boy in between these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children. The girl. Listen again, children. The girl. Listen one more time, children. The girl. Children, now you have to write the girl in between these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children. This is the apple. Listen again, children. The apple. Listen one more time, children. The apple. Children, now you have to write the word the apple in between these 4 lines by yourself. Children, you have to write the apple. Look at this, children. The cat. Listen again, children. The cat. Listen one more time, children. The cat. Children, now you have to write the word the cat in between these 4 lines by yourself. The cat. Look at this, children. The bat. Listen again, children. The bat. Listen one more time, children. The bat. Children, now you have to say with me the bat. Say again, children. The bat. Very good, children. Now you have to write the bat in between these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children. This is the cup. Listen again, children. The cup. Listen one more time, children. The cup. Now say with me, children. The cup. Say again, children. The cup. Children, now you have to write the cup in between these 4 lines by yourself. Look at this, children. The boy, the girl, the apple, the cat, the bat, the cup. Listen again, children. The boy, the girl, the apple, the cat, the bat, the cup. Children, now you have to write everything in between these 4 lines by yourself. This is our page number 25, children. On this page, we have introduced the concept of the. We use the with something specific, something special. Like this is the boy, the girl, the apple, the cat, the bat, the cup.